One difficult choice customer experience analysts face is the choice of data sources. With internal data like CRM tickets, surveys, and support tickets, they get rich business specific segmentation that allows them to arrive at actionable insights. However, this data tends to be transactional and is confined to their own brand. External data, especially online reviews, offers a wider set of feedback about both their own brand and about competition. The lack of segmentation limits the ways in which this data can be used. With the Clootrack Neo platform, this gap can be filled and even external data can be segmented based on business logic and context. Clootrack Neo uses generative AI in its intelligent workflow module to achieve this. In this video, I will demonstrate how external data gathered from review sites like TripAdvisor, Google Reviews, and others can be segmented using business-specific context based on prompts. The data is about airline companies around the world. Our workflow module is easy to use and we can offer the services of our experienced data analysts to help you set this up. Once the prompt is made, you can also see how it works and review if the classification achieved is acceptable. After the data is analyzed, it can be visualized with new segmentation. Here in this dashboard, segmentation is based on airline-specific needs like loyalty, value, and purpose. Let us see how to achieve this. The dashboard that you're seeing in front of you already has these segments. How was this achieved? In the workflow module, airline reviews, like I mentioned, are gathered from various data sources like TripAdvisor, Google Reviews, Traveler's Choice, and other things. And once that is cleaned and uploaded into the Clootrack platform, you can now start giving it instructions, very specific instructions on how to get the segmentation. When you look at this particular prompt, this is written in plain English and gives it both business context and how the segmentation should be made. Here I'm showing you a sample of how to segment based on what's the value that people seek. Here the particular customer that we have in mind wanted to look at luxury seekers, efficiency obsessed travelers, value hunters, and so on. Once the segmentation is done, the AI will also return to you reviews and what it actually understands by this particular segmentation. And you can actually see the samples that it puts out to ensure that the segmentation that you have wanted is achieved. Once the data is segmented, it can be intelligently visualized, and these segmentations become filters just like they would with internal data or internal dashboards. Here you will see that there are various other segmentations that we have put in. There is value segmentation, there is loyalty segmentation, and so on and so forth based on whatever business context that you have in mind. Once the visualization is in place, you can now go look at all kinds of different insights that these things offer. There's an interesting insight that was afforded on this dashboard was that both the luxury seekers and the value hunters were complaining about the value that they were deriving or the pricing and fees. Let us see how this plays out. We have this visualization called the prioritization matrix, which allows you to concentrate on specific experiences that customers are having. Here I'm going to compare by the themes that people talk about. Pick a specific airline that aims its services towards the luxury segment and see what do customers who are value seeking and what do customers who are luxury seekers complain about, or what insights do you have? For value hunters, it's very obvious that people are complaining about pricing and fees, and when they complain, it's really about a lot of it is about the high charges and fees, unexpected fees, and you can also see the opinions that these people put out about these particular complaints that they have, and it's mostly around additional charges, unexpected charges, extra charge for luggage and things like that. And this is something that you may not experience or expect when luxury seekers are surveyed or luxury seekers reviews are looked at. However, surprisingly in this, pricing and fees again comes up as a complaint. When you dig into this, when you go and try to dig into why the pricing and fees is coming up, you will see that the issue is more about what value they did not get by paying extremely high or what they think as luxury fees. And the data is completely traceable to individual reviews, and you can review and lead it up to actual customized insights that you can act upon. Thank you.